after last year's budget, we were going to be living within our means going forward. Again, we have 5% needs and we have 3% growth, so we have to do quite a bit of a balancing act. Looking forward to our strategic plan, the team has gone forward with that as well. We're looking to get the 7 to 10 priorities for the Board of Supervisors to have an overarching plan. Once we have that, we can have capital and operational initiatives that allow the great county employees to know how to move, where to go, and how to get it done in a fashion that's going to make us a little bit more quicker, a little bit more nimbler. The schools are fully funded. That was a desire. That was a goal of the Board of Supervisors. Our tax rate, as proposed today, is at $1.15, which is no increase to this year's tax base. So we're looking forward to more positive growth in fiscal 2021.
Well, first of all, I want to say this is a good news budget for Fairfax County and a good news budget for Fairfax County Public Schools. This is the second year of being fully funded for Fairfax County Public Schools, and it's really unprecedented in a generation. So I want to thank County Executive Brian Hill and the Board of Supervisors for working with our school board to forge a collaborative and cooperative relationship that puts the needs of students first, that puts the needs of our school system first, and helps us create a quality of life for the county and for the school system that brings people here, brings businesses here to Fairfax County. We want the best and brightest teachers and the best and brightest support staff to come to Fairfax County Schools to join the students and parents who've already chosen Fairfax. So this budget continues to allow us to be competitive and to continue to be a world-class school system. It is really a superintendent's dream to be able to work with a county executive and to have the kind of relationship that we are creating between the school board and Board of Supervisors to fulfill the mission of a great education system here in Fairfax County.